Are you ready for the demonstration?
I am.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
I survived. All right, come on over here. My hands are stuck. But tell me a little bit about, okay, can you like remove one of my ears so that I can hear? Yeah, perfect. Okay, great. I'm so glad I had an ear protection on. I have to say that was my first time. You guys did a great shot, by the way.
Thank you.
I am definitely fully restrained. Talk to me a
So
little bit.
can you move your arms at all,
No.
or can you move your legs?
No.
It would be hard for you to run, or
yes, this would be very hard, and I'm very interested.
It restricts your movement.
It restricts my movement.
So it's basically a remote handcuffing device.
And it's great because, like you said, it's something that could help you so that things don't escalate further.
Right.
Talk to me about when you guys would use this out in the community.
So if someone was in crisis, you know, maybe they're having a mental breakdown, if they're suicidal, if somebody has a warrant and they're not really going along with what we need them to do, complying with our orders, instead of going hands-on with them and fighting with them, we can deploy this from 10 to 25 feet away and wrap them up and then come in and continue with the handcuffing.
Okay, now.